Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka President jung Khasi Student Union Delhi Unit ka sama marbiang khongwir hakwede begjingja Shah Khynnah Khasi ke blashitam jur ha Aiims Hospital Delhi kletho bakila yo ek phone call na kinos bana Shillong bat ka doktor na Aiims Hospital kibala pentep shaki be ka te Khynnah Jingmynsaw jur lawan bu the way Khynnah Khasi bade na Shillong hi hakwede bakani nakaliang ka seng marmar krele hospital banwa jingtep nakaliang ki doktor kila shuye thu bai te Khynnah lawan bu do shinrang brew bat haba ki pet ni Khynnah ru kimla bantep ni ka kerteng namar ba kamdon pla kamdon phone ni kinu ki ID ka seng krele ban kendo ekipulet ki bapet na pogati ka hospital bat ki pulet ki le thu bai te Khynnah lawan bu do shinrang na Noida bat ulai ka report ba ka ur ka seng ka lapa ni ka report ni ki doktor bat ka seng ka supa ba dani e shalindat bat om ikop ba ur namar ba Jingmynsaw ka rajur ki katu kani ki khotmet ya ka minta ka di Khynnah kadang don Hapdeng ka jing sumar bat ka seng ka kermen ba kan tip brew no khnang ban tip ni ka jingja
कोई पीयूष है इसका तो फ्रेंड है वो
Number here, Piyush.
पीयूष नंबर दिया
I think that can be done now because they'll give the treatment and then in the morning the consultant will come with the norm and then we'll decide whether any surgery has to be done or not.
Then comes surgery has to be done.
That is in the morning.
So we don't have to give details from here.
You can give so that you have work tomorrow.
Yeah.
That girl beyond, she hasn't his number. Then her phone is broken, so she doesn't remember his number.
No, I don't understand. Like a girl brought her here or a boy brought her to the hospital?
A boy brought her to hospital, and she herself is telling she doesn't have the number of the boy.
Okay, and you met her in the hospital only?
Yes.
Okay, what is your good name again?
And I was actually I was on duty at that time, but now I'm not with her now.
Okay, thank you. We just
She's in hospital.
yeah. Okay, thank you.
Iyo aku call mana na nurse daripada nak Shillong ni, but ibu doktor berai hapo Aiims Hospital, but kena kita ni ba lawan bu ibu Khynnah iba dina badi Khasi badi na Shillong, but kena khot ibu Shah hospital tu kumtahi mama nak dia juga seng ilale ibu hospital anda la ko yang tu nakli ki doktor iwan batnu ki shubatai ba wan bu shinrang amte beda kuteng juntai Khynnah ro dan pla dan phone dan identification ye ting delipet di Khynnah ro ilong unconscious but in the situation juga kalau critical bha te ha hukum tahi na kalian juga seng kali kinu di kulit keberadaan nak choki hapo untuk hospital hi ni dipet ka MLC report but hapo ka report la batai ki kulit ini wan bu Khynnah we should now one boy na Noida but I could report by or the kumtahi din nila pan ki medical report pe ki initial medical report ki doctor ka situation khamlo critical kam ikop depan shu on baur dan kalian tu kesek ni shu suba wadan na dia ni kata nina pan batai bha ne naman beli ka hapo report la tho ba ka pelvic region jo kala fracture ki ribs ru kala fracture ki kejat ini ki chimbre kejat baru ka kala fracture the multiple injuries ki don the long haba yang pemerintah tinggal batai shu nagrian tu sai ni dang ni hospital ni shu yai up badi sudah dekat badi but ni kemen ba syaitas ni mentai dalam aku observation aku critical care unit dan aku kemen ba intibriu nak keluar kenang ba ni tip kaba jabat